I think the main problem is how much development has gone into the area surrounding the river and how much alteration has occurred on the river. Well, the Woonasquatucket Vision Plan is not just a watershed council initiative. The initiative has really been a partnership with the City of Providence, all of the partner organizations in the area. And the reason that it is so important is that the neighborhood knows the value of the resource and what it could mean toward bringing money into the neighborhood, but also just changing the way that people relate to their natural resources. The river is the only wildlife corridor in this whole part of Providence. And it's the only chance that people have really to interact with that kind of environment. So it's kind of a health thing for anybody that lives here, but it is also a way to bring people here to come to this place as a wonderful asset.